In this video I'm going to show you how to add your WordPress website to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster tool, step-by-step guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So this is one of my sample WordPress website. So if you would like to add Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster tool in your website, it's very easy. So I have installed this plugin called Yoast SEO. So to install the plugin, click on plugins, okay, and then add new, and you need to type Yoast SEO. So just type SEO, search. Once you search that, this is what you get, Yoast SEO. Just install and activate. Once it's activated, just click on SEO Webmaster tool. So this is where you add everything. So right now I'm not going to add, but just show you, I'm going to show you an example. Just click on Google Search Console, it will open up. You need to put in your Gmail ID and then Google HTML tag. Just copy the whole thing and paste it over here. Save changes, save it exactly the same way. Once that's done, so as you could see, and then you come back over here and verify. The same thing goes with Bing verification code, and you could do it with Baidu and Yandex. So people who are confused what's Baidu and Yandex, it's like google.com. it's like Bing is for yahoo.com. so Baidu is a different search platform, and Yandex is also a different search platform. So try to do it for everything. It's the same process over here as well. Click over here and then sign in, and then you'll get the code, copy paste it, and then you need to verify. And that's it guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Yavar Khan signing off.